my name is Victoria, aka tvórchica. I'll try to speak English during this video. 3 p.m. I just have cleaned my room. I haven't done nothing in my studying. I haven't studied. I've done like 20 words in Spanish in reward app, but I don't think it's enough for me. It's on the Spanish, I have to study English. Yeah. And okay, I'll try now. This is the corset, and I have been doing this, and it was very hard, and I should insert bones to this. I've sewed this, and then my needle sewing machine broke, and that's all. I want to eat, and my salad is in the kitchen, but I can't eat there. And if I wanna eat in the kitchen, I have to wait when my father is going to go out, and because I want to film my salad. Okay, that's my salad. There's iceberg salad, red bell pepper, almost red, tomatoes, baked meat, and like sesame pasta. And this is very, very tasty. I also have this tortilla con queso. Okay, I found a course in Coursera about sustainable fashion, and it gave me like article about sustainable fashion, sustainable develop, and it's in English, and it's quite hard, but I've written like I've I've read. I've read like 28 pages of 43, so I think I need to finish it now. This is cottage cheese with sour cream and currant jam.